The Ressurection Remix for the Redmi Note 4 is out there on the XGA. Hello everyone, you're watching the Droid Tweaker, and in this video I'll be telling you how to install the Ressurection Remix 8.0 Oreo ROM on your Redmi Note 4. So let's get started. Now as you can see that I'm on the latest MIUI 9, so let me just show you once. Let me just go to the settings, and here on the system updates you can see here that there is no updates available and I'm on the latest version. So make sure that you have rooted your device and installed the Red Wolf TWRP. I repeat, the Red Wolf TWRP. If you use any other TWRP recovery, the installation will get fail and you will be getting error 7 as the error code. So there's only a single fix for that, that is you need to change your recovery to Red Wolf TWRP recovery. So as I'm using MIUI 9 and I need the OTA update, so I just install the Red Wolf TWRP, and you can see there that I'm rooted right now. So yes, I'm rooted, and Red Wolf TWRP is the recommended TWRP for this installation, and these are the files which you need for the installations. Here is the folder itself. So here is the folder itself. Let me just zoom in a little bit. So the first file is the Magix file, the second one is the OpenG apps, the third one is the recovery which I'll be using, and the fourth one is the RR Oreo ROM. So I have already installed the Red Wolf TWRP. For those who haven't installed this on your device and using any other recovery version, for them I just provide the IMG file. Just go to that TWRP recovery and flash it on the recovery partition by clicking on install image from the install dialog box. So after you have done that, what it will do is go back and turn off your device. So once you have turned your device off, what it will do is press the power button and the volume up button together till you feel a haptic feedback. Once you feel the haptic feedback, just remove your hand from the button, I mean the power button, but press the volume up button till you get the Red Wolf logo. Once you get the Red Wolf logo, it takes some time to boot up. Once it boots up to the Red Wolf, what it will do is we'll just go to wipe, advanced wipe, Dalvik, system, data and cache. Swipe to wipe. Once the wipe is completed, go back and tap on install. Select the RR Oreo and select here, select the Magix, select here and OpenG apps.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. towards the sun rays, and on we'll go.
So you can see that our ROM booted up right now. So let me just quickly set this up. So you can see that the home screen is here, and let me just check that if the VoLTE is work or broken. I don't know that the audio is very low. I don't know if there is a bug or I'll reboot and it will be fixed or not. Let me just see what are the features we are getting. We are getting tons of features. Everything will be working as expected from the RR. And you can see here that the theming is also here, system UI theme, and the clock settings and everything. What do you expect from RR? The Pi features also are working perfectly fine. Let me just show you once that what about the Pi. So let me just write, and yes, it works perfectly as it was on Nougat. So here was a quick installation of installing RR Oreo 6.0 on your device. So if you just like my work, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video and share the video, and do share your comments and thoughts regarding the video, and bye bye.